Oh, this for how long?
That's for, oh yeah,
20 minutes.
okay, so put the timer on for 10 minutes because that's what when we got to take the brownie out, and then once we take the brownie out, we'll put that back on for 10 minutes.
Yep. Okay, 15 to be exact. Just to be precise.
Make sure the brownies don't burn.
Oh, it's all good. Okay.
Now you got to use a bowl to make the icing for the cupcakes.
Yeah.
Or you're going to make the top of the...
I'm going to do 2, so...
So
Basically...
here's a bowl, but you got to dry it. And I haven't washed the other bowl yet.
Where's the box for...
Pardon?
Where's the box for the cupcakes?
Oh, down here. Which one is it? That one. The icing is here if you do want
Oh. I was looking for the icing.
it.
Yeah, I'm going to do both. I'm going to do both. I'll play this. Now I think it's water and milk and I think. I think it's milk. Make it milk.
Okay. Why don't you just use the icing they gave you, or is it chocolate icing? Oh, okay, you want it to be white so you can put colour in it?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do it? Do you want me to look it up for you, or you got it?
Done it before. Done it before. Now milk.
I thought it was water. Or a bit of both.
It can be anything, milk or water.
Oh.
And I put it half a lemon.
Do you want me to start making the lemon one
Yeah.
in this bowl? Oh my god, my back's killing me, Rach.
And what about my back?
Oh. Are you pregnant?
No. I could be.
Rachel,
So it could be.
who are you messing around with? Okay, so this. Meanwhile, place the taste lemon curd. What's the taste lemon curd sachet? I hope you didn't put the wrong thing in. Where's the
Should be in the box.
because this says lemon filling. Maybe that's what it's talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. Lemon juice. Oh, I gotta use a saucepan. Oh. Far out, Brussels sprout. Okay, well then this is gonna have to... How are you gonna do this? Okay, we might have to swap sides, Roach.
Give me those drinks.
Do the flat ones first. That on the bottom. Then those.
There we go.
Are you going to be able to do the icing there?
Yeah.
Just careful you don't make a mess.
Hang on, guys. I put too much, way too much milk.
Oh. Saucepan. Bloody hell. Too much work for me, I give up.
Oh, come on. What am I doing here? Are you going to pay me? Aha. That's
So I'm gonna
fine.
mix this and this in there until it's boiling. So turn this one on hot. Put this.
I know I need to put my milk.
Ugh, look at this rake.
Show me that.
Ew. Looks like honey, but lemon honey.
What, you want honey now?
That's what it tastes like.
I have honey somewhere.
That and lemon juice.
That will do, right? This is going to go in the refrigerator. I'm not going to put it on now because it's so hot still. Red. Oh, that is a perfect red.
Good job, Rach. Put a little bit of water in just to make it a bit runnier.
I need to go shopping for more icing.
Just make sure you put it on your list. Do you want me to put a few drops of lemon flavour in?
Don't make it too many.
I'll just do a couple, like 2 or 3.
No, what about?
No or yes?
No.
You sure? I don't have to add anything.
Oh, it's right here. You can add something to it.
What?
What's a nutmeg?
What's a nutmeg?
Don't be so full of nutmeg.
You don't put nutmeg in lemon.
Then,
Don't worry about it, Rach. It's fine.
oh.
Okay. Then I gotta turn this off.
Look at this thing. Not too much.
Yep. Like that much, Rach?
Yeah. Put some coconut in it.
Pardon?
Coconut.
I reckon sprinkle the coconut on top. Otherwise it will burn.
ice cream. Almost done. This is the in the fridge.
Then I need to pour this. I might put it in.
You gonna use a bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. You're not gonna use this one, are you? Okay, go straight into the fridge.
Okay. Okay. Easy, the rest of it. Gonna wait for this to cool down. Should I put it in the freezer so it cools down quicker?
Yeah. So should I put the thing in your freezer?
Okay.
What? Just put it stuff.
And then once that cools down,
Yeah.
then I've got to put that, and that in the bowl, mix it, and then put it on top of that. Alright.
Terry, I guess we're back for part. Guess we're back for part 6.
Okay, just careful, that's hot range.
We're back for part 6. Look at the mess. Well, it's not much of a mess.
Are you done with the